Think you need money to start a business? Think again. With creativity and determination, you can launch a successful business with zero capital. Let's see some tips. Entrepreneurship isn't just about making money. It's about solving problems, creating opportunities, and building a future for yourself and your community. Don't forget, small businesses drive 80% of Africa's economy. What problems can you solve in your community? What skills or talents can you turn into a service? Start with what you know or are passionate about. To get started, try this. List 3 things you love doing or are skilled at. Remember, you don't need expensive tools to start. Use your smartphone, social media, or items you already own. You will start small and grow over time. Don't overthink things. For example, you can use WhatsApp to market your services for free. Services require little to no startup costs. Whether it's tutoring, cleaning, or repairing items, your skills can earn you an income right away. There is no inventory needed, just your time and expertise. As you already know, social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are powerful tools for reaching customers. Make sure to create a professional profile and share your story. Another important tip, use Canva to design free, eye-catching posts. Additionally, make sure to connect with other small business owners, mentors, or community groups. Collaboration can lead to opportunities and shared resources that will help your business grow. As they say, your network is your net worth. To gain more knowledge, use free resources like YouTube, podcasts, and workshops to learn business skills. The more you know, the better you'll grow. For resources, visit MIT OpenCourseWare for free business courses. Don't forget, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, adapt to challenges, and celebrate every milestone. Consistency is key to growth. You have the ideas, the tools, and the drive. Now it's time to take the first step. Start your business today. Subscribe to Empower Africa Academy for more entrepreneurial tips and free templates. Like and share this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.